Hi, I'm Tony Cable.
And I'm Dave Robbins.
Today Dave is going to run us through ClickSmart, the smart box and receivers. Throughout this series of videos we'll cover all aspects of the product, from the easy hardware installation, setting up the ClickSmart app and showing the product working. Now Dave, can you tell us a little more about ClickSmart?
Of course I can, Tony. ClickSmart makes it easier than ever for contractors to install in a new installation or provide an upgrade to an existing installation. The ClickSmart app makes it easy to switch and dim wirelessly from around the building without the use of switch drops.
Now that sounds great, Dave. Should we open the box and see what we got in there?
Let's have a look. Let's put this over there. So there we have the smart box.
Is that it?
That's it. That's all we need.
Right, can you run us through that there?
Of course. So at the front, we've got a place for the aerial, and that gives us the communications. And at the back, there's an Ethernet cable which plugs in to the router, which communicates back and forth via the Wi-Fi. And then a power supply, which simply plugs in here to give us the power.
Now it looks like all that's left in the box is the all-important paperwork.
Yeah, 2 bits of paperwork. We've got an installation guide with a link to a website which has all the information about installing and setting everything up. And then the important installation sheet.
Now I don't think we can stress the importance of that sheet, Dave, can we?
Not at all. This is what the installer will use to log the details of each of the receivers that he fits throughout the building. And all of this information is then used on the app to install everything and make it all work.
So that's absolutely vital, isn't it?
Absolutely vital.
Thanks for taking us through the smart box and giving us a little unboxing and showing the kind of things it can do. Click here for the next video. We'll be going through the installation of the ClickSmart.